Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI music using your phone. First of all, you are going to download this app. Download this app. It's called Suno AI. You're going to download this app. It's called Suno AI. Suno AI. After downloading it, it's going to download. Tap open this app, Suno AI. Create a free account. Tap on here on Google. Tap here on Google. Tap continue. Choose the email address you want to use. Choose the email address that you are going to use. We have chosen this one. Then they are going to open your account. Tap allow here. Then tap down here. You see this logo here for music. Then put in your prompt. Put in your prompt. Create an afrobeat song about how you make AI to make nice AI songs using Suno AI. They are going to create a song. AI, this app is going to create for you a song, a full song with chorus and the verses. Let's put use Uganda English accent. It is going to be it is generating. You can generate these songs, then you upload them on streaming softwares, and then you get paid. You can upload them on streaming softwares and you get streams, and then you get paid. And a lot of people are doing this and are getting millions of money. The song is finished, as you can see. This is the song we have created. This is the song we have created. We have created a song by just a prompt. And you can go on and download this song here. After downloading it, you can put it on other streaming softwares, and then you get streams, and then you get paid. A lot of people are doing this. You can publish this song right here on this app, Suno, or you can download it and put it on other streaming software. Thank you for watching.